How's it going, YouTube? Today we got Brittany's KX100. We just did a UFO Restyle kit, and it consists of a front fender and a rear fender remodeled to look like the big bike fenders. A lot nicer profile on the rear fender. Real nice job. Whoever did this at YouTube, or I mean at UFO, did a great job. You want to hold up the back fender, Britt? Show me what the difference. It's my daughter Brittany. She's the pilot of this KX100. She's haywire. She did a wheelie and wheelied over and broke her fender, so we stitched it back together for a little while, Frankensteined it. And you can see the big difference in shapes. The new UFO one is beautiful compared to the old one. The old one was always gaudy. I never liked the KX plastic on the 80s, the 85s, and the 100s. So anyway, and let's show the front fender now. I'll come around, do a comparison of the new front fender. Now look at that for a difference in shape. Going from the old mud flap to the duckbill, quite a bit nicer. She's got some new Serbies handguards. She's got the brand new Dunlop Geomax MX52s, front and rear. Brand new uni air filter in it. Rocking the Scott handle grips, dual compounds, Pro Taper EVO bars with the Pro Taper triple clamp. I don't think they even make that anymore. Rocking the Restyle sprockets. It's got the Wiseco Prolite piston. Perfect for doing wheelies. End up on your butt. Bike goes good. Actually, for little 100, it pulls my 200-pound or 230-pound carcass around pretty good. Thing rocks. What do you think, Britt? Does it rock? So, if anybody else has any KX100 add-ons that you think we should get for it, make it better for enduro riding, let us know. IMS fuel tank is definitely in the works. And these, actually we got the UFO Restyle kit on eBay for I believe $72 Canadian, right to the house with the taxes and everything and the shipping. So that's a pretty good deal. She's got the guts seat cover too. She's got guts. Watch out, she got guts. Alright, that's UFO Restyle kit for 2008 Kawasaki KX85 and 100. Out.